Step into the 2006 Chrysler Crossfire. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are intermittent wipers, driver airbag, rear spoiler, brake assist, front side airbag, leather steering wheel, and 21P Customer Preferred Order Selection Package incorporated, 3.2L V6 engine 6-speed manual trans. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.